Hello there and welcome back to DaveTech YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to reset YouTube and fix YouTube issues with that method. So stick to this video and you understand at the end, step by step, how we're going to reset YouTube. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. Mind you, it is not in the app. So I'm going to show you the YouTube application. This is on Google TV. So right over here, I'm on home and I'm navigating down to the YouTube app. Now on this application, I just need to sign in with the profile. There are a lot of bugs that could happen. It could accumulate over time. It could be as a result of you failing to adhere to YouTube's cookies, their ads, and you just put up settings that cause the application to go basically unusable, where you have issues, you have a lot of lagging, you have some notifications popping up here and there. All those issues are caused when you manipulate with the settings up to a level where the application does not just work for you anymore. If you get to that point in time and you want to reset it, or if you have an issue and you've tried a whole lot of methods but no one seems to be working, and you decide that you want to reset the application, all you need to do is to come over to the settings app. So I'm going to exit YouTube. So go ahead and exit if you're in the app, and now you're going to launch the settings application for Google TV. So I'm going to hit the top bar and I'm clicking on quick settings. From there I'll go to all settings and I'll go to apps. So I'll find the apps application, click on it, click on see all apps, and navigate down to I'll find the YouTube app. So I can find YouTube at the bottom of this list right here. Clicking on YouTube gives me the access to these options, and scrolling down I can find the option that says clear data. So this is going to clear off everything from the YouTube app. It's going to log you out of the application. It may even delete updates and ask you to re-update the app. So I recommend you do this, and before doing it, uninstall the updates so that when you clear data, you're going to re-update the app and log in again. That most likely will solve most of the problems which you have and you cannot find solutions to. So that's it for this video. Try that method out. If it works for you, if you find it valuable, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.